1.
Okay, so the video stopped there, so we're going to continue here. So now for this one, we shade y is less than, and it's this line. So now below is over on this side, because remember that this line is going to the right, so below is on this side. Everything over there. So now again, where are they the same? Right here. You see pink and the blue. They're both shaded here. I want you to use pink, use blue when you shade these. It'll make it easier to see where they're the same. Because if you only use pencil, that's only one color, and you don't know which one where they're the same. Okay? There's no answer here, no answer here, no answer here. Answers can be everywhere here. If it's on this line because it's dashed, not a solution. If it's on this line and it's solid, yes, solution. Okay. Okay, pause the video. Try this one on your own. But remember, look, there's negative, and a negative, you're gonna have to divide and switch the sign. So try it on your own. Pause the video. Okay, so now that you tried it on your own, first we're gonna switch this one, switch to 5. So now remember that's -1 there. So this is now -1 is greater than -5x -3. And now we have to divide -1. That goes away. Y is not greater anymore. Now it's less because we divided minus. Okay, now -5 over -1 is just 5. -3 over -1 is +3. There's our new inequality. Now we have to do it to both equations. Now here we switch the 4. Now it's -3y greater than -4x. Remember, always when we switch the sign. Okay, and +3. Now again, divide. And we're going to divide a minus, a negative number. Anytime we divide a negative number, we switch the sign. So now it's greater, so now it's less. -4 over -3, well, I can't divide that, but negative over negative is positive. I leave it as 4 over 3. And then +3 over -3, it's not 0. It's dividing the same number. So it's 1, and plus over minus is minus. Okay. Okay, now, again, this one, I've got no line, no Usawi. Okay, so it's dashed. So we start at 3. And go up 5, right 1. Can't go anymore. So I go down 5, and then to the left. Down 5, and to the left. And that's dashed. Okay. Arrows always. Okay. Now this one's a little harder to see where it's shaded, but we can still do this. Okay. Now remember, which way is it leaning? It's leaning to the right, and it says y is less. So that means if it's leaning to the right, that less is over on the right side. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Now -1 is where we start, and it's up 4, right 3, up 4, right 3. Up 4, right 3. I can't go anymore, so I go the other way. So now down 4, left 3. And I'm just going to do 4 dots. That's all I need. Now again, this one is also no Usawi. This one is also dashed. I have 2 dashed lines this time. Sometimes you'll have 2 solid. Sometimes you'll have 2 dashed. Okay, so now the shade for this one says y is less than again, and it's this line this time. Sorry, this line this time. If it's y is less, below is over here, if it's leaning to the right. So I shade everywhere on this side. So now this one's a little trickier. So now I need to find where they're the same. So first I have this area, which is a no. Then I have this area right here, between these 2 lines, and there's only pink, so not here. And then down here, there's a little tiny area between this line, and it's only blue. There's no pink. So it's all of this big area here. That's where your solution is. And guess what? They're both dashed lines, So the answers cannot touch the lines. So that's not a solution, not a solution, not a solution. Anywhere in here in the shade is a solution. And that's it. Make sure you finish your worksheet.